Ever wondered how much easier life would be if you had a personal shopping guide? A friend who could sift through the endless sea of online products and guide you straight to the best. Welcome to I Want It, your ultimate shopping companion, bringing you honest reviews, top picks, and insider shopping tips every week. We've received countless messages from satisfied viewers who found our reviews incredibly helpful. Take it from Jackson, a tech enthusiast who shared, "Your reviews are spot on. I bought the latest smartphone you reviewed, and it's just as amazing as you said it would be." Or consider the words of Emily, a busy mum who said, "The home goods you recommended have made my life so much easier. Your channel is a lifesaver." At I Want It, we dive into the intricate world of online shopping, from the latest gadgets to lifestyle essentials, ensuring you make the best purchase every time. Our mission is to make your shopping experience seamless and enjoyable, whether you're a tech geek, a fashionista, or a home improvement guru. So why wait? Join our community of smart shoppers today. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap the notification bell. We bring you fresh reviews and recommendations every week, so you'll always be in the know when it comes to the best products online. With I Want It, you'll never have to second guess your online purchases again. We're here, we're ready, and we can't wait to help you find exactly what you want. Because at the end of the day, we believe that shopping should be less about the stress of decision-making and more about the joy of finding that perfect item. This is I Want It, your ultimate shopping guide. Let the shopping begin.